Poco X7 versus Motorola H50 Neo. Display type, display size, display resolution, display protection, HDR10+ support, display brightness, refresh rate, pause, chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, RAM memory, RAM type, design and build, height, width, thickness, weight, build material, waterproof, camera, Poco X7 camera, Motorola H50 Neo camera, back camera and video recording, front camera and video recording, storage, internal storage, storage type, memory card slot, USB OTG support, battery capacity, fast charger, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, connectivity, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG support, Wi-Fi, fingerprint sensor, sound, dual stereo speakers, हेडफोन जैक, और लास्ट टाइम ये दोनों फ़ोन का प्राइस।